Mama Akwaba, wafreme Adjoa searching mesrel. Now was subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news.
In this, I have alleged that something is wrong and needs to be fixed. Now, the truth of the matter is that the document you are using to make a case is a provisional document. Me pacho asemo ameka no potoka say muni ni na ne say NDC for say womo wo evidence bi kire say ya paper edin bi every register ni mu enti omu hia forensic audit. Now, the truth of the matter is say you just don't get up and say you are going to do an independent forensic audit because the EC on its own is an independent what? It's an independent body. On top of it, there are rules and regulations that has to be exhausted before, if we have to seek outside knowledge, we seek outside knowledge. NDC is not able to give us the so-called evidence they claim they have, but they want the EC to submit themselves based on a provisional register, not final register. You see how they are? May say they stare at defeat and they see defeat coming to them. And the fact that NDC know they are going to lose this election, that is why all this chaos is going on. Adentia. Afibia the provisional I'm like register ba. Na yakohwem say yehwem a wo obenya information bi na de call. MPP for call men share south. Yehu say numbers ya are register no chain numbers ya usually na nka eba no na o de call ye ayini we ye no. Sabe court ashe easy say easy empepa edin bi nye den emfiri men share south din because efie wura akra ye de wo mu fie and a filling forms say ho na yete no aba court ya beka say enye no kre asemasi obenten onteme ho enti munyini free register ni mu. NDC for say wo mu kura evidence nanso evidence ne pan so omde beko court de omoboa so omde evidence ne beko EC pan na atena se de omoboa nembom omde bema eye omo charge and pay radio stations na ade no na de bi omo nka say registering ye who we mo register na say yanko demonstration yampene yesisiyen yesisiyen now me who say NDC is not a serious party and Ghanaians should reject them because ababi amobekwe 2016 ye wi amo you were in power ye wi amo 2020 ye wi amo ababi aye to be ye wi amo ye koye registration ye wi amo obi ametro ni din ye sisiyen isi say afi empacho obi ameji tampiko baako oto aba kran dia isi say beji tampiko NDC funkwa duwa yesi adenti na ma MPP1 na ema omo so 1 esanke ema say MPP half na omo NDC for no 1.5 anya sa dia omo mpene omo benne ne agu isi onina ombe say ho ye de ye ne like how and we have journalists who claim say womo akọ school at the TV so radio so about tie making argument with the provisional register. They want Ghana to burn because of a provisional register whose purpose is so that we can correct the anomalies inside the register. That is the only purpose we give those. And for 10 months, the EC has pleaded with NDC. Ya pamucho wo muni yentena se mumma ya documents na mo kano mumma yen se there be ya po bi ote Russia oni na mehwehwe mumma yen yan kofa Russian agent for no mumma ya forensic audit ma yen eno na be ma yen NDC for ya come ato yeyem se mo kofa Russia for na mu bie sebe ye technology ni so kire omo na omo hwe mu dia na se ye NDC for na to ya come so dia election ni yafa. Since when did any sensible, credible lawyer use provisional results or provisional register as a final register? Since when are they true provisional? How can that be the final result? And the people you claim say you're deleting, how do we know even if they have traveled They have died. Some of them are not even interested in the voting process at all. Some of them are actually not even going to vote. So they decided not to do anything about it. How can we know? How can we even know if these people are even NDC people? How can we know? How are we sure these people are NDC? For you, they could say, "Yampa, one more better about the NDC." But that is not what they are caring about. No. They want to paint a picture that the EC is doing kululu. So Ghanaians should prepare their mind that and yes, a good for na agba adwuma o. And yes, about me na good campaign o. Nembom EC ni na ewie mu dia ma omo ntino mas na ewie no. That is all they want to say. That is all. There is nothing more. That is all they are looking for. That is all NDC is after. Yen kase EC na ye bone. One will say EC ni ye ka say omo yen audit or see there be. One say EC ni ye ka say omo yen hwe with technology system no or see there be one ampa o my trangrofo agu me so me ken mo akronfo to say mo e na ya chem wo menhia how to say makofe din ya begu mu a enkrofo no kura ente ho. Why do you think they did that? To boost their gains in the Ashanti region. Because someone will say the way a voter region bubra de ma MPP no so one mo so ambo Ashanti ampe kakra election one very poto, and they don't care who they destroy. 2020 register no a updated version of 2023. Now omontia say 2023 there no omoba 2024 no names ni be delete free. Me pacho Mr. Bright, until you go to birth and register, can you tell us how many children have been born since 2023 to 2024?
It's impossible.
No. Can you tell us how many people have died since 2024? 23 to 2024?
It can't be possible.
Can you tell me how many people have traveled outside of Ghana to go and work somewhere else?
Without data, you can't verify this.
So when you tell me, say, oh, when the register in 2021, then the patent about 2022, nipa 500. About 2023, nipa no swat from 500 about 400. 2023, nipa na is intino and no chance obi akobọ krono ana. Na simple. Senior, enemy ni atemu. Simple.
Atim
so what dwene da ho. Na wona won see say ye real na ukuta evidence ya. Epacho, where do you take it to? Two bodies. The first one is EC. Say EC and TO Asamoah, what they call High Court. But because the EC holds the same powers as the High Court, pretty much. The patron says sanity.
Yeah.
In this EC in the car, same be. Now only EC in Yajina, it's a High Court. Then this for say, yes, you could evidence you any. Nancy young farmer EC. Ah, no, the best is who's okay. Say, deal with us, Sadia, Mama, and some form of moment to Abamamo.
Now, Felix.